Today we're going to take a moment to talk about the Rugged Ridge sunglass holder. Now this sunglass holder is constructed out of a durable material. It's going to fit all 3-inch roll bars, including our JK Wrangler. Now this is nice if you have no place to put your sunglasses, which in a JK, you don't really have that opportunity. You have to lay them on the dash, kind of lay them in the center console. They can get ruined if they're laid out in the sun or even stolen. These will sit right up nice and tight on your roll cage. You can throw your sunglasses in here. There's 2 compartments, so you can throw like a wallet or your keys also up in there if you're on the beach. We're gonna throw it on our 2012. This isn't a hard install at all. I just wanna show you guys what they look like and see if it's right for you. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw it right on here onto the roll cage. The JKs have some foam padding in that back there, so it's a perfect size to mount right on. With the 2 straps off, we're gonna put it up onto the roll cage. You can basically put this wherever you'd like. I'm gonna decide to put ours kind of right up here in the front. Be quick and easy access. It's gonna work with a soft top or a hard top, so you don't have to worry. Whatever you have, it will work for you. All you gotta do is just pull the Velcro straps through that small little hole down there, and then just pull it right through. Give it a good tug, strap it on. And that's it, it's fully mounted. You got a pocket up front here, throw your glasses in there, and then there's also this zipper pocket that goes up along here. And you can open up that, put even more stuff in there. So pretty cool here, Rugged Ridge sunglass holder. Well guys, we've got everything mounted up. The Rugged Ridge 3-inch roll bar sunglass holder works perfectly in our JK Wrangler, in our 2-door, and it'll also work in the 4-door JK, as well as even your brand new JL Wrangler. Rugged Ridge makes a ton of products like this to make life easier inside your Jeep and give you some more storage solutions that you didn't have before. Now if you want to find this sunglass holder as well as many other great parts for your Jeep, be sure to check us out at cjponyparts.com.